Welcome to your personal fitness journey, right here at home. Today, we're diving into the world of rapid weight loss, a journey that is as much about the mind as it is the body. The key to this journey? Exercise. But not just any exercise. We're talking about simple, effective moves that require no fancy equipment or gym memberships. Just you, your determination, and a little bit of space at home. So get ready, folks. Prepare to transform your body and mind with 5 simple exercises. The first exercise to get your heart pumping is high knees. This exercise is a fantastic way to warm up the body, elevate your heart rate, and kickstart that calorie burn. Let's break down the technique. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms down parallel to the ground. Now you're going to start marching in place, bringing your knees up to meet your hands. Make sure to engage your core and keep your back straight as you do this. High knees is a full-body workout that engages several muscle groups. Your core muscles are working hard to stabilize your body and maintain balance. Your leg muscles, including your quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, are getting a good workout as you lift your knees. Even your arm and shoulder muscles are engaged as you hold your arms out in front of you, but the benefits of high knees extend beyond just muscle engagement. This exercise is fantastic for improving your cardiovascular fitness. It gets your heart rate up and increases blood circulation throughout the body. High knees also play a significant role in weight loss. This exercise is a high-intensity workout that burns calories at a rapid rate. In fact, you can expect to burn around 10 calories per minute with high knees, and that's just at a moderate pace. If you increase the intensity, you can burn even more. However, it's important to note that speed is not the goal here. Yes, high knees can be performed at a high speed for a more intense workout, but it's crucial to maintain proper form. Focus on lifting your knees high and keeping your core engaged. And remember, consistency is key. It's better to do high knees regularly at a moderate pace than to do them occasionally at a breakneck speed and risk injury. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to high knees, a simple yet effective exercise that can help you achieve rapid weight loss right in the comfort of your home. Remember, speed is not the goal, proper form and consistency are. Moving on to the second exercise, we have jumping jacks. Now, jumping jacks are an excellent exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, making it an efficient way to burn calories. Plus, they're fantastic for cardiovascular health. Let's break down the technique step by step. Firstly, stand tall with your feet together and your arms at your side. This is your starting position. Now, in one fluid motion, jump your feet out to the side and raise your arms above your head. It's like you're forming an X with your body in midair. Then as quickly as you jumped out, jump back in, returning your feet together and your arms back at your side. That's 1 rep. And there you have it. That's your basic jumping jack. Now you might be wondering, why jumping jacks? Well, the beauty of this exercise is that it's a total body workout. It targets your legs, your core, your arms, pretty much everything. Plus, it's a great way to get your heart rate up. Think of jumping jacks as your in-house cardio machine. They're a brilliant way to increase your heart rate and rev up your metabolism, which in turn helps with fat burning. So not only are you strengthening your muscles, but you're also improving your cardiovascular health. But the key to reaping these benefits is consistency. Aim to perform 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, or if you're up for a challenge, try doing jumping jacks for a full minute. Remember, the goal is to keep moving, keep that heart rate up. And don't forget to maintain proper form throughout. Keep your spine straight, your core engaged, and your movements swift but controlled. This will ensure that you're getting the most out of your jumping jacks while minimizing the risk of injury. So, whether you're new to the fitness world or a seasoned pro, jumping jacks are an effective, accessible, and fun way to stay active and burn those calories. Keep that energy up, you're doing great. It's time to target those core muscles with our third exercise, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an excellent whole-body workout, but they primarily target your core, including your abs and obliques. They also work your quadriceps, hamstrings, and shoulders, making them a fantastic multi-purpose exercise. To perform mountain climbers correctly, start in a high plank position, hands planted firmly on the floor, shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Now let's get moving. Bring one knee in towards your chest, keeping your toes off the ground. Return that foot to the starting position, and repeat the movement with your other leg. That's 1 rep. Continue alternating legs, mimicking the motion of climbing a mountain. You'll feel the burn in your core and legs in no time. Remember, the key to mountain climbers is maintaining good form. Keep your shoulders aligned over your hands and your hips level. Avoid bouncing or lifting your hips. This reduces the effectiveness of the exercise and can lead to injury. The beauty of mountain climbers is that they not only target your core strength but also ramp up your heart rate. This means you're getting a cardio workout while strengthening your muscles. The faster you go, the more calories you'll burn. However, don't sacrifice form for speed. It's better to perform the exercise correctly at a slower pace than to do it poorly quickly. Incorporating mountain climbers into your regular workout routine can lead to significant improvements in your core strength and overall fitness levels. They're a challenging exercise, but remember, every rep brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. So keep pushing, keep climbing, and remember, it's not about how fast you go but how well you perform each rep. Keep your eyes on the prize, focus on your form, and embrace the burn. Push through, you're halfway there. Scene script. Let's amp up the intensity with our fourth exercise, burpees. Burpees, ladies and gentlemen, are the real deal. They're a full-body strength training exercise and the ultimate example of functional fitness. With every rep, you'll work your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. After a few sets of burpees, your legs should feel a little bit like lead. So how do you perform a burpee? Let's break it down. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squatting position and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back, so you are in push-up position, and then complete one push-up. Immediately return your feet to the squat position. Leap up as high as possible before squatting and moving back into the push-up portion of the show. It sounds complicated, but once you get the rhythm, it's a smooth, fluid motion. Just remember, the key to a good burpee is speed, but don't sacrifice form for speed. Engage your core throughout. Keep your chest up and your hips down. Your body should maintain a straight line from your head to your heels during the push-up and plank phases of the burpee. Now, why is this exercise so effective? It's simple. Burpees are an intense full-body exercise. They burn a ton of calories. More importantly, they speed up your metabolism and help burn more calories over the course of the day. If you're just starting out, it's okay to modify the burpee. You can skip the jump or the push-up until you build more strength and stamina. The most important thing is to keep moving and pushing yourself a little bit more each time. Remember, the goal here is not to be perfect but to get a little bit better each time. Every burpee is a step towards your goal. So keep pushing, keep sweating, and keep believing in yourself. And that, folks, is the mighty burpee. A calorie-burning, muscle-building powerhouse of an exercise. It's tough, it's exhausting, but it's also incredibly effective for rapid weight loss and overall fitness. One more exercise to go, hang in there. Last but not least, we have the plank. This exercise is a powerhouse when it comes to strengthening your core and burning calories. To correctly hold a plank position, start by getting into a push-up position on the floor. Now bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Engage your core by sucking your belly button into your spine. Remember, your body should be as stiff as a wooden plank, hence the name. Hold this position for as long as you can. The plank doesn't just target your stomach muscles, it works your whole body. You're engaging your arms, your legs, and especially your internal core muscles. It's like a full-body workout, all in one static exercise. This might seem tough at first, but with consistency and determination, you'll soon see and feel the benefits. And there you have it, 5 simple exercises for rapid weight loss at home. Congratulations on completing your workout. Today we've tackled 5 simple exercises that pack a punch for rapid weight loss. High knees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, burpees, and the plank. But remember, consistency is key. Doing these exercises regularly will yield the best results. And don't forget, proper nutrition is just as vital. It's all about balance. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep moving, keep sweating, and see you in the next video.